Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a delicious grilled chicken Cobb salad. Now this is one of my favorite dishes. I could literally eat salad every day. We're also going to do a balsamic vinaigrette. I'm going to show you how to do that. Now you can have whatever dressing you'd like on it, but I'm going to show you how I do my vinaigrette. So let's get started with the salad. You're going to need some romaine lettuce. You're going to need some avocados. You're going to need some hard-boiled eggs, some tomatoes. I have some shredded cheddar cheese, some croutons, and some bacon. Alright guys, so here's the list of ingredients you're going to need for the balsamic vinaigrette. You're going to need a half a cup of olive oil. You can use extra virgin olive oil if you'd like. You're going to need 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar. You're going to need 1 teaspoon of honey. You're going to need a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. You're also going to need a clove of garlic minced. Now I'm using my little baby food processor. If you don't have one, you can use a whisk, which is fine, but I would definitely recommend you mincing your garlic really fine, or else you're going to get chunks of garlic in there. You're also going to need a little salt and pepper to taste, and that's it to make this balsamic vinaigrette. Okay guys, so over here I have the stuff from my grilled chicken. I have a piece of chicken underneath my plate, underneath the paper towel because I've washed it and now it's being dried. I have my cast iron grilling pan. All you're going to need is some olive oil and this McCormick's Grill Master Montreal steak seasoning. Trust me when I tell you, this is the best seasoning.
I put that on everything.
Whether it's chicken, shrimp, steak obviously, hamburgers, you name it, use this. And I promise you, you guys are going to love it. It's going to be your go-to seasoning. So let's get to grilling the chicken. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put my stove on almost to high. So in between medium and high. And I'm going to get my pan nice and hot. And it's already been seasoned or oiled, whatever you call it. But I'm going to go ahead and put a little olive oil on it. And what we're going to do while this is getting hot, we're going to go ahead and season our chicken. Okay guys, so what I have here is my piece of chicken. Now I'm making just one salad for me and my husband. And I'm using just one chicken breast. So obviously if you're going to make a bigger salad, just go ahead and double your chicken breasts accordingly. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drizzle some olive oil on both sides. And I'm going to put this, again, it's McCormick's Grill Master Montreal Steak Seasoning. And again, guys, I really hope that you try this. It's absolutely delicious. And I'm going to generously season my chicken breast. On both sides. And with this, it's not low sodium or anything. Now if you want to buy the low sodium and do your own salt, you can do that, but I do this because I think the salt and the pepper is perfect in it, so I don't have to adjust anything or add any salt. Any additional salt, I should say. That looks great. And now this is going to sit for a second while my griddle is warming up. Okay guys, so see this smoke? That means it's nice and hot. And to the pan, I'm going to go ahead and put my chicken down. And we're going to leave this on here until it's starting to get white around the bottom. And then we'll go ahead and flip it because we don't want it to stick to the pan. And I'll show you what that looks like when it's done. Alright guys, it smells absolutely delicious in here. Okay, so you see how nicely this flips up? We're going to go ahead and flip it. Look at those beautiful grill marks. And we're going to let the other side cook. And then what I'm going to do, once I get my grill marks, I'm going to lower it so it can finish cooking without burning it. So before I start on our vinaigrette, my chicken is done. I'm going to go ahead and put it on a little cutting board. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this sit and cool off while we go ahead and prep the vinaigrette. So when your chicken is done, just put it aside on a cutting board. We don't want to cut it yet because we want it to keep all the flavors inside and cool off just a little bit before we cut into it. Alright, so what I have here is my garlic. I'm going to go ahead and give it a nice whack so it's easy to peel. And like I said, we're going to put everything in my little food processor. But if you don't have one, just go ahead and use a little whisk, and it works just as fine. Okay. Move that out of the way. We're going to put our garlic in there. We're going to do a ½ cup of olive oil. Pour that in there. We're going to use 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar. Now this is my husband's favorite dressing, so that's why I'm doing this for our Cobb salad. But you can use whatever dressing you like. We're going to do 1 teaspoon of honey. Let that drip in there. Okay, we're going to use 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, Grey Poupon, we're going to do a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. I'm just doing a little sprinkle. And then what I have here is a dressing jar and a little funnel so that I could pour it in here. And we're going to put it in the refrigerator to keep cool while we assemble our salad. So I'm going to go ahead and puree this. And then what you're going to do is you're going to taste it and make sure that doesn't need anything else. You might want more honey, you might want more mustard, you might want a little more salt and pepper. That's perfect. I'm going to pour it in here. That's good. I'm going to let that finish dripping, and then I'm going to go ahead and put this dressing in the refrigerator to keep cool while we're assembling our salad. Okay, I have my station for all my stuff to go ahead and create my Cobb salad. The romaine lettuce, the diced tomatoes, my cheese, croutons, bacon, my avocado, and my deviled eggs. And then over here I have my chicken, which I've cut thinly, and I'll place it on top, and I'll show you what that looks like when we're all done. So what I do is I do a nice heaping of lettuce. I like everything pretty, so I like to make it look good. And like I said, this is going to feed me and my husband. My cheese. Just spread it around. My croutons. That looks good. My bacon. And this was about 6 pieces of bacon. I don't know if I said that earlier, but I cooked about 6 pieces of bacon. And we're going to do our avocado. And you could leave them whole, you could spread them around. That looks great. And then our egg. Slippery little boogers. And just put it all around. And these are 3 eggs. I hard-boiled 3 eggs. That looks good. Chicken, which like I said, I've diced in thin pieces. And you're just going to put that right on top. Alright, so I went and took out the dressing from the refrigerator. It's nice and chilled now. We're going to go ahead and sprinkle some on. You could put however much you want on there. That looks great. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making it. If you want to see more recipes like this one, make sure to subscribe. And don't forget to put your notifications on so you guys don't miss any of my videos. Enjoy, guys.